Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Asi, and today's topic is biology 2 lab final exam, which is exam 4, and the labs actually are 15, 16, 17, and 18. So lab 15 to lab 18, study material. So um, as you know, this is all of these labs 15 to 18, they are actually Animalia Kingdom. So you all know, and these are actually just three phylums of Animalia Kingdom. We've seen Animalia Kingdom other phylums before. We know the whole kingdom is Animalia, and there are 36 phylums. We're covering 9 of them in the lab, specifically focusing on 9. And then we covered other ones, earlier labs. This exam is going to cover specifically starting with arthropods, uh, which which is 15, Echinodermata 16, and Cordate 17 and 18. So three of them we're focusing on. So there is a nice chart you see here, and it's also in your canvas. You can easily see they are actually listed all the Animalia Kingdom features, what kind of symmetry. We can go here and see arthropod, echino, and chordate. Last three we are focusing on. They all have bilateral symmetry. So and then body cavity and what type of body cavity, it's also listed here. And organ system, obviously all three they have organ system development. So arthropods has protostome, but echino and chordates are deuterostome. So make sure you pay attention that that's like a clade. This is clade number 3, deuterostome. Deutero means second, so second opening to the mouth. So that's what actually these last two phylums are. And segmentation, they are segmented, and arthropods are segmented, and also chordates have segmented. And then some other characters you can see here, arthropods, exoskeleton, digestion system, pair jointed appendages, and most insects have wings. These are very unique. Echino has spiny skin animals, and also bony plates, water vascular system, tube feet system, and also some only marine like sea stars, sea urchins, sea cucumbers, brittle stars, feather stars. And then of course chordate. So chordate is our last and biggest, not in terms of biggest, but the most developed actually, and the most advanced phylum. So chordate, we are gonna see a number of features in chordates, like having notochords, having dorsal nerve cords, having tail, having gills or lungs, heart, vessels, and then represented species like lamprey, sharks, salmon, tuna, frogs, salamanders, lizards, turtle, alligators, pigeons, seagulls, kangaroos, bat, rat, and goes on like that. So 15, so lab 15 is arthropods, right? So arthropoda, phylum Arthropoda, as you know, is the biggest phylum in terms of number of species. More than 1 million species actually listed under Arthropoda. These are joint food animals. So like every other phylum, pay attention to the subphylums. There are 4 subphylums here listed under Arthropoda. They are Hexapoda, which is insects, number 1, like beetles, bees, flies, bugs, grasshoppers, butterflies. This is Hexapoda subphylum. The second, number 2 subphylum is Chelicerae, which is basically spiders, mice, ticks, scorpions, horseshoe crabs are in this one. Number 3 subphylum is myriapods. Like there are 2 most important, centipedes and millipedes. And then number 4, crustacea, which is crustaceans. And this subphylum has crayfish, crab, shrimp, and barnacles. So keep studying them and look at represented species and remember class, subphylum names, and phylum. Phylum is arthropod, right? So this is 15, and look at your notes, and you can also look at PowerPoints and anything you draw from the lab, wet labs. Okay, lab 16 is next lab, which is Echinodermata. This is phylum Echinodermata. There is a smaller one with 7,000 species listed under Echinodermata. No head, no brain. Basically, they they are mostly marine. Starfish is our number one represented species here. There are 5 classes under phylum Echinodermata. So the class number 1, asteroid, which is like sea stars, are in this group. And they are also spiny, don't forget. So echino means spiny skin animals. Class number 2, Ophiuroidea, like little stars. Class number 3, Echinoidea, which is like sea urchins. And class number 4, Crinioidea, sea lilies. And class number 5, Holoturia, which is sea cucumbers, which are the largest ones here. So there is more information in your PowerPoint. So pay extra attention to the each class and also represent species, and pay attention to the model animals like starfish and starfish anatomy. So make sure that you know the dorsal view of the star, like a top view of the starfish, right? So pay extra attention. So right, so dorsal, like dorsal versus the bottom view, right? So bottom has the mouth, so don't forget dorsal doesn't have a mouth, has anus and other things going on in the dorsal or top side. Okay, stomach is also is in the top side. So that's starfish. Starfish has always 5 arms, so don't forget. Okay, and they connect water vascular system with environment outside of them. Okay, so they eat oysters, and again they have 2 sides, and then they digest and engulf. So that's a can look at the rest of the examples and lab assignment at the very end listed there. Okay, so lab 17 and 18 are chordates. 17 talks about all the chordates. Chordates are around 50,000 species, 57,000 species listed under chordates. They are fishes and tetrapods. There are 3 subphylums, 2 subphylums, Urochordates and Cephalochordates are actually non-vertebrate like the other animals, but subphylum 3 is Craniata, which is vertebrate. So this most unique one, and subphylum is vertebrates. That's subphylum number 3. So some examples on each. And so what's so special about vertebrates? They have vertebrate column, obviously, so, and they have distinct head. These are some features. There are 7 classes listed under vertebrates. Class number 1, Agnatha, which is like lampreys. Class number 2, chondrichthyes, sharks and rays. Class number 3, Osteopees. This is bony fish. Class number 4, Amphibia, like frogs, toads, and salamanders. Class number 5, Reptilia, like turtles, snakes, lizards. And class number 6, aves, birds, very big group. And class number 7, very importantly, Mammalia, like human. And then they can be omni, which is they can eat plant and animals. So you keep looking at lab number 17, more details like chordate anatomy and parts of chordate anatomy, where is notochords, where is nerve cords, dorsal, other side, muscular system. And then there's frog skeleton here also. So make sure that you know the major frog skeleton bone names, like where is ilium, where is sacrum, where is femur, and other major bones. Lab 18 actually continues to frog, and now lab 18 focuses on specifically organs and muscles. So there are a number of pictures in your slides, and there is a chart here, basically anatomy of frog, the label. So make sure you know the major organs, you know major muscle names, where they are located, and you know like specific things like 4 fingers in the hand, no webbing, but in the feet there are 5 toes and webbing. So they're kind of unique things, right? And then how heart is only three lobe heart, I mean three chamber heart, but also liver is a three lobe liver. And then pay attention to teeth, how what are the different types of teeth. Tongue is very unique, and googly eyes. This is called common frog. So um, like every other lab, make sure you check your PowerPoints, check your lab drawings, combine them with your notes, and make sure that do some depth like mastery learning, analyzing stuff, and basically hyper focus on examples, and then develop some depth in your studying. So thank you. So thanks for watching, and please feel free to comment and like, and happy studying. See you in the next video.